A major announcement today involving housing and health care here in the Coachella Valley. DAP Health receiving a $2.5 million gift from Desert Care Network to help fund an affordable care complex in Palm Springs. NBC Palm Springs contributor Stephen Henke, who works for DAP Health, has details about the vision behind this major gift.
I'm Steve Henke, NBC Palm Springs contributor, and I'm the chief of brand marketing for DAP Health. Today, DAP Health announced a gift of $2.5 million from the Desert Care Network. The funds are going to go to help fund access to all of the care available to residents of Vista Sunrise II when the affordable housing complex opens in June. It's currently under development by the Coachella Valley Housing Coalition, and it will have 61 units of affordable housing. Half of the units are going to be used for rapid rehousing for people experiencing housing insecurity, and the other half are going to be used for people living with chronic illnesses. I talked with Michelle Finney, the CEO of Desert Care Network, and David Brinkman, the CEO of DAP Health, about the impact in the lives of those residents they hope this gift will make.
So Desert Care Network was very excited when we had a conversation with David and with DAP about their vision to expand with Vista Sunrise II. We see daily the impact of the unhoused and the underserved in this community. You know, we see it in our emergency room when people cannot access care, and then we also see it on our inpatient side when we can't discharge individuals because there's really no safe continuity of care out in the street.
Talk to me a little bit about the case management that's going to be available and how that integrated approach is going to help empower those residents access, specifically what they'll be able to access on the campus at DAP Health.
So for the residents at Vista Sunrise II, they'll have a housed case manager on site each day, which will help them build care plans. So whether they're in chronic pain and they need to access the acupuncturist and the chiropractor, or they're in need of job training and access to food, that they'll have a professional from DAP Health staff who will be there to help them create that plan, provide access to that care, and then to follow up to make sure that the referral was successful and that the service was received.
You know, we don't know what the future is going to hold, but we know that there's going to be challenges in that future. Whatever it is we face, I believe in the core of my heart that we're going to step up to each of our best ability and do what's right for this community. And it's not only our mission, it's our obligation.
For NBC Palm Springs, I'm Stephen Henke.